Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Raginee Somthankar, the Director of English Learning Academy and Study Abroad Consultancy. Dear listeners, are you a good listener? Do you think that you should be a good listener? You have to develop your listening skills. Are you agree with this point? Do you think that listening is an art? What do you think that why listening skills is important? All these questions answer I'm going to share with this audio. So welcome to my podcast channel Speak English with ELA. Yes, my dear listeners, listening is playing a vital role in the English language. And why listening is the important essential thing? Because we can learn any kind of language by doing one of the most important activity, and that is listening. If we are listening in a proper manner, we are a good listener, we can understand the language in a proper manner, we can understand it, observe it, and then we can imitate it. That's why you should be always a good listener. Being a good listener helps solve many problems you can solve in properly. It can be resolved the conflicts also, it can be improved the relationship also. Means for your personal and professional life, the good listener or the good listening skills will be helpful. Effective listening contributes to fewer errors, less wasted time, and improved accuracy also. Effective listening skills will be helpful for you to develop to get a good command over the language. Listening is the most important thing in your language classrooms. Why? Because it provides input for the learners. Without understanding input at the right level, any learning simply cannot begin. Do you have any idea about the hearing and listening differences? What is the difference between hearing and listening? Whenever you are hearing something, at that time so many noises, so many voice, so many sounds are coming by default on your ears. But when you have decided to listen carefully, you are avoiding all such kind of noise, sounds, and voices. And where you want to give 100% focus, that thing only you are listening attentively. That is the listening skills, and that you need to develop. Because whenever you are listening something, at that time you should have to give 100% efforts to do the listening. So how you can improve your listening skills in English language? First thing, that you should have to prepare correctly. Whenever you start listening anything, at that time you should prepare your mind that I should not be divert, or I should not be distracted by anything. I have to give 100% attention to listening the things. Then second thing, you have to set the goal, make a plan, track your progress, focus on active listening, not passive, and have conversations in between. Use resources in appropriately. You have to use the headphones also. Sometimes you can use the ear plug also, so that you can avoid the distractions. There are so many technologies, equipments are available nowadays in the market, so that you can give 100% focus on your listening skills. You can develop your listening skills. So many vocabulary, you can develop your vocabulary, idioms, some phrases, the sentence formation, everything you can able to understand easily if you are giving 100% attention towards listening. The benefits of active listening is always help to build more knowledge. It can be enabled you to identify or anticipate the problems. It can be helpful for the better understanding all the things also in your professional life and in your personal life also. So these type of things are important whenever you are doing the listening. So listening is an important at your workplace also and at your personal life also. Having solid listening skills is important for everywhere, and listening is an art which you have to develop. And good listener, you have to remember one thing, that good listeners are able to communicate verbally and non verbally too. And that's why, when if you have a good listening ability, then people love you, people will love to connect with you, and they love to be around with you also. So start listening in appropriate manner, give 100% attention, follow all the tips and techniques which I have explained you in this audio, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.